Hey, how's it going, folks? This is Joe with Joe's Gaming Electronics. Another popular video requested by our amazing YouTube fans. And we made a previous Solo 3 wireless fake versus real video. We're going to link it up here. And today we're doing a Studio 3 wireless fake versus real. This came in from a customer, and we had to break the bad news to them that, hey, the item you sent us is counterfeit, and these are the reasons why. And we wanted to educate you guys so you guys can make better purchasing decisions. Of course, the best thing is to make sure you buy from a known source. You can buy from us, you can buy from other big companies that have a good reputation on selling authentic units. You can check out our website, JoesGE.com, for all your electronic needs. But we're gonna go through a couple quick steps on how you can tell if your beats are fake or real. Now that the Beats have the W1 chip installed, that's actually super simple to check. All you have to do is power on your Beats. You hold it for about 3 seconds and your lights are gonna start flashing. Once they flash, go ahead and take your mobile device, put it right next to you, and make sure your Bluetooth's on, and it'll actually connect with the W1 chip showing your Studio 3 oscillating in a circle. It'll also show the color of your item, and because of that, you know it's a legit pair. And that's a really simple, easy way because that's a W1 chip. Fake ones will not have that. And because of that, you will know for a fact that you have a legitimate pair. Just because your Beats have a serial number does not mean they are authentic. They are mimicking a legitimate serial number in the Apple database that has been replicated many times, and these factories are smart, they do that. And we want to show you guys a couple quick, distinct differences. If we look here at the headband, just looking at the color, it's very distinct. You can tell the difference that this one is definitely darker than the authentic. The authentic one is here, this is the counterfeit pair. If you also look at the Beats logo, the color is completely off. This is specifically for the shadow gray. We're just doing a couple quick color comparisons. The hinges are a nice shiny gold. If you look over here, they're kind of just, it looks like they put a little sticker over the top of it, and it's not really the best. All right, more importantly than all of this is really what's going on the inside of your headphones. What's going on the inside of your headphones? So we have a couple different parts we'd like to compare and show you guys. So this is an authentic Studio 3 part. It's black here, it has all the technology you need, it has the power capabilities to make sure your Studio 3s are functioning properly. Here is an aftermarket one. The insides are different. That's what you're paying for. You're paying for the technology that Beats making. And there's an aftermarket board right here. It's really crappy quality. It's gonna fail on you very quickly, and it's not gonna function properly, not like a studio is supposed to sound. So we have the two power boards right here. This is the more important board. This is the Bluetooth board. This is where the W1 chip is located. The Bluetooth board has all the magic in there to make it connect to your phone better. You have better streaming, you're not gonna have any interruptions, and it also makes sure that you have a significantly longer lasting battery. This chip works a lot of magic, and the aftermarket ones, the counterfeit ones, are not gonna have this chip, which is gonna allow for you to have a really shitty sound experience. And batteries. Batteries are all pretty similar in general, but this is what an authentic Beats battery sounds like. This is what the aftermarket Beats battery looks like, not sounds like. All right, and we wanted to show you guys a matte black pair. So this is a fake matte black outside panel, and this is a real matte black outside panel. Even looking at the logos, you can definitely tell the difference, and that is something significant just to keep in mind. Beats is gonna make high quality stuff. If they don't make high quality stuff, they're not gonna have a lot of customers, so they wanna make sure that they have the best quality product, and they're gonna use the best factories they can. And with an authentic headband, if you look at a headband, you take a legitimate part here, and if you take it and put it on some kind of floor level, you should be able to take it and put it all the way down to the ground like that, bounce back up. That's how you know how you have a high quality part. If you buy some shitty part off eBay for a third of the price of an authentic part, you do that, it's gonna snap right in half. So that's how you know that you're using authentic Beats. Don't do that to your Beats, don't bend them like this, bad idea, you're gonna rip something, break something. But if you have a separate part like this, feel free to try that out. And if you do it on the eBay part, don't try it out, just return that thing. Make sure you find an authentic part, and that's really what you're paying for, is an authentic part, high quality parts. You have the internals that are really good, you have all the sound quality that's built in there, and everything's engineered to work properly. All right, folks, I hope that helped you guys out. If you guys have any more questions, any more requests, go ahead and check out our page, YouTube page, comment, like, subscribe, share it up, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And this is Joe, I'll be signing out. Have a great one.